Congratulations on purchasing a BumperBully Raptor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up your BumperBully and install it to the vehicle. When installing the BumperBully Raptor for the first time, we need to adjust the side hooks and strap. So the way we do this is identify the hook, which has two silicone pads here. This is the portion of the hook that's going to make contact with the vehicle's bumper edge. So you want to make sure this is on the inside. The way we bend the hook is we hold it with two hands. Make sure the silicone pads are facing down. Hold it with two hands and just bend it into a U shape or a J shape. This may take a little bit of effort. The ideal shape will really depend on the shape of your bumper's edge. Okay, that's done. The next thing you need to do is simply adjust the side straps to the length of your bumper. Don't worry, this is just an approximation. You can make final adjustments during the install step. So to adjust, simply lift the buckle and pull to the right, makes it longer, and if you pull it like this, it'll make it shorter. Once the buckle lays flat, the strap will lock into place. Once adjusted, you could use the elastic band to hold any excess strap in place. Okay, I find the easiest and fastest way to install the product is to keep it in a coiled position just like this. I'm holding it with my right hand. I'm going to grab the hook part with my left hand. So I'm going to start by attaching the left hook to the left bumper edge. While applying tension to the left hook, I'm going to continue to walk around the bumper, slowly unrolling the product as I move from left to right. Attach the right hook to the right wheel edge, and you're all done. Before attaching the trunk straps to the vehicle, make any necessary adjustments. In this case, the product was too low, so I raised it up a little bit. Make sure you mount the product above the exhaust pipes, never block or cover the vehicle's exhaust. Once complete, simply attach the trunk straps to the vehicle's carpeting. It's really that simple. If the Velcro does not adhere to your trunk's carpeting, you can use the Velcro sticky tabs that we provide. Just be sure to stick it to a hard, smooth surface like the plastic over here. Or another trick to do is if you have a trunk compartment like this vehicle, you could simply place the Velcro straps in the trunk compartment and close the lid. For a more secure installation, use the sticky tabs provided and place it under the trunk compartment on a hard plastic surface and simply attach the trunk straps to the tab. Just be sure to install the sticky tabs so it lines up with the straps. For more information on how to use the Velcro stickers to install the product, check out the alternate installation using Velcro stickers instruction that comes in the box, or watch our video. The BumperBully Raptor was designed for parked vehicles. Always return the product to your trunk compartment before driving or operating your vehicle. The first step to removing the product is to take out the trunk straps. Starting on the right-hand side, remove the hook from the bumper edge and start rolling the product. Simply applying some pressure on the left hook, continue to roll the product, working your way around the vehicle. It's really that simple. Store inside your trunk compartment. For more information about the BumperBully Raptor, please watch our other videos, and don't forget to check out our full line of BumperBully products. Got questions? Please email us. We are always happy to help.